Hi, Alexis.
Hi.
Whose birthday is tomorrow?
You?
Mine.
Mine.
How old will you be?
2?
Show me with your fingers. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Whose birthday?
Mine?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
How old are you going to be?
2?
Can you say February?
February.
First.
Foot.
February?
February.
First.
Foot.
Whose birthday is tomorrow? Whose Don't give me the stink eye, young lady. Whose birthday is tomorrow?
You mine?
How old are you going to be? How many? Are you going to be 7?
2.
Oh, 2? Are you tired?
You're tired.
Tomorrow's your happy birthday? What are you doing? Okay.
Mommy.
Hi, honey. Whose birthday is tomorrow? Whose birthday?
Mommy, help you.
Help you what?
Mommy, help you.
Can you give the sideways look like Daddy does? Out of your eyes? Like this. Look over there and do it. Don't you smile. Don't you smile. Is it your happy birthday tomorrow? Don't you smile. Don't do it. Don't do it. Can you blow yourself a birthday kiss? No, you gotta kiss first. And then blow. Whose happy birthday is tomorrow?
2.
Yeah, I know 2, but whose birthday is it?
Mine?
It is? Okay, say happy.
Birthday.
Me.
Me.
Say happy.
Birthday.
No, but you have to say happy first.
Happy birthday.
Me.
Me.
Ow! Say happy. No, don't headbutt me, little monkey. No. Sister. Sister, wait. Say happy. Say happy.
Boy. Birthday.
Okay, say love you.